Kilmar Abrego Garcia, who was mistakenly sent to an El Salvador prison last month by the Trump administration after Mr. Garcia's family sued the government seeking his return. Several Trump administration officials, including the United States Solicitor General, said, yeah, they made a very rare admission. We made a mistake.
There's actually been a lot of investigative reporting of the hundreds of people who were initially deported. Many of those people are assumed to be gang members by the government because of clothes they were wearing or tattoos that they had. The evidence on it is allegedly, on many of them, very thin. That's part of the problem when you don't have a process, a due process for someone to come in and make a claim that. Even if you could do this to whatever gang is, even if this was proper, I'm not actually a member of that gang. And there wasn't any process for that. And what the papers are coming out with is a lot of those people weren't. And that's squarely with Mr. Abrego Garcia. The big difference is the government initially admitted this was just an administrative error.
Well, and here's what's even more maddening. Earlier this week, Stephen Miller, Trump's top domestic policy advisor, abruptly changed course and declared on Fox News that Mr. Garcia had not, in fact, been wrongfully deported. So my head is spinning. What is it?
I think this should be interesting for people to watch. Watch what officials say to the news.
Yes.
And then watch what they actually say under oath to courts. Those might be very different things. They might not, but I think that's hard to square Mr. Miller's statement with what the government has already admitted. As a law dean, a law professor, and a lawyer, I'm astonished by, after that admission, I think this is accurate. The lawyer who made that was disciplined by the Department of Justice for not being a zealous enough advocate.
Correct.
Which we do teach our lawyers to be zealous advocates, but we also teach them they have a duty to be honest in front of a court. Your duty to be a zealous advocate does not overwhelm your duty of candor to the court. What message does that send to every other lawyer in the Department of Justice?